been missing y'all. Peace, love, happiness. Yes, let's keep going. Lift those arms up. Woo! Feel that music. Feel that music. Ow! So thankful to be alive, y'all. So thankful I woke up this morning. Let's move, let's move. Let's move those arms. I'm just doing arm circles in reverse. Woo! The pressure. I'm telling y'all, we all got pressure. Sometimes you just gotta dance, honey. Okay? Okay. Hey, let's move those hips. All right. And there. Guys, you can even do it too. You don't have to do so. You can just kind of move your hips here. It's okay. Okay, it's not just for the ladies. And more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit part of. Mainly, I just wanted just to throw out just a bunch of different exercises you guys can do, okay, on your own. Okay, another one. Lift those arms up, take it to the side, and push. And push. Push. Yeah, and then reverse. Take it to the other side. You should be feeling this, y'all. Bones is popping. Push. And push. And push. And push. And then you want to take it to the front. Yeah. You feel that? I'll turn to the side. You want to make sure that back is straight. Got it? And if you can, take it all the way down. I don't want to get out of my film there. Okay? But move. It's good for you. Just move. Listen, guys, I don't care how old you are. Just to move the body is therapeutic, okay? And you can just take the time just to meditate. Think about the goodness of God, okay? And all that He has done for me. Hey, I just wanted to touch bases with you guys just to say, hey, I've been missing y'all, but y'all keep doing them exercises. And listen, I'm old school. Click, like, share, subscribe, okay? You guys have a great day, okay? Be safe out there.